Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy fall, y'all! We are doing a fall cooking, and we're doing side dishes. You know, everybody loves the side dishes for Thanksgiving. So these are some ideas that would be perfect for a side dish for Thanksgiving or a family get-together for fall. Hope you enjoy the recipe. And this is one that's easy any time of the year. So I hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, we're going to make a sheet pan dinner. You can either start with a frozen bag of vegetables like this, which has red potatoes, carrots, onions, and zucchini, or you can chop up some red potatoes, carrots, onions, and zucchini. I'd say probably 5 potatoes, 2 or 3 carrots, an onion, and a zucchini. Well, I know this one package won't be enough because I know my husband. So I added 1 pack of small carrots that I chopped in half. Then I'm going to add this to it. And then I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And if you don't like any of these spices, you can absolutely leave them out. And add ones that you like. That was a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of oregano, and if you have Italian seasoning, just throw in a tablespoon of Italian seasoning because that's basically what I'm creating here. Teaspoon of basil. And then some olive oil. And then we'll give this a toss. And we'll put this on our pan. These will cook through in about 20 minutes. So I'm going to put these in, and then I'm going to put my chicken in. Here it is on the baking pan. I'm going to bake it at 350 for 20 minutes.